Good morning. Good morning.
Mommy, I want you to on my mentor, okay?
Okay.
Then you have to turn back.
Okay.
What do you see out there?
Boats.
What else?
More boats. Now turn it on, baby. Now turn it on me. There we go.
Where'd you go? There you are.
Can you say that one more time on camera?
You cannot video me in the shower if you want.
No, that's not what you said.
Yeah, it is. You just said it. See? Done.
Hey,
Hey.
can you get a video of the shower and the toilet? Show people what you just did. What's going on?
Oh, I gotta clean the lid. It's not making a good seal.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, and he go in a thermal as a circle around like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street.
I got the Seahawk.
But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the sky and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah.
Sweet, now do it.
She jumped up and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knees, made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again and smiled all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly. Her, they say your head is in the clouds, and when you come back to earth, the men in the white coats, they will all be waiting for you. But Katie knew that there was something they didn't see, and she climbed up to the top of the sycamore tree and said, look out world, I am gonna fly away. She stood so tall and with all her might, she took a flying leap of an astonishing height. A wind blew through and it carried her high, and Katie knew that she was just beginning to fly. Well, take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly. Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through, and your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. No, no.
No, cannot make this video. It's forbidden.
What are you doing?
putting the brackets on our new spreader lights.
Those are cool. Where do they go exactly?
On the mast and the spreaders.
So, like on the complete,
horizontal.
like on the ends, or
Where
in the middle.
Where the old ones from 1982 are. Old ones. I'm from 1982.
So, how many lumens are they?
1300.
That's a little ridiculous, don't you think?
Wee bit. There, now it's nice and bright down there. So I put that in. That's what was there. This thing. And I put that in right there. Done.
Take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly. Well, take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, well, take time, do what you're gonna do. Just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.
That's her.
My best. Why do you pretend that we both get?
I don't always ride a donkey, but when I do, it's a good ass.
Cheers! This episode is brought to you by Good Ass Beer.
Buy us a good ass beer.
I mean, for the price, so yeah, 24 beers for $8. So that's 33 cents a can. And it's for that price, you can't beat good ass beer.
Bangarang! Now I write.
Better.
As you take a picture of me. No, turn it.
Jeez, demanding.